Hi, today I have OUKITEL G2 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. If you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu and open your main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo in the right corner, and there open settings of your Google Play Store, where we choose family and their parental controls. As you can see, now we have PG3 to visible game or applications mobile legend game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it, enter our reconnect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm by got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. You can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.